Good morning, student. Today we are going to start a new chapter from Skylark book, and it is chapter 8, Mr. Sherlock Holmes, written by Dr. Arthur Conan Doyle. Now, Dr. Arthur Conan Doyle, he has created this detective character named Mr. Sherlock Holmes, and this Sherlock Holmes is very famous among many people, and even you also know his name. So this extract, the chapter which you are going to read today, this extract is taken from one of the cases of Mr. Sherlock Holmes. The name of the case is Hound of the Baskervilles, and this is the first chapter of that case. So let's begin. You will go through the story, and I am just giving you a quick gist of what the whole story is about, so that when you will go through the story, you will be able to understand what I have told you. So, an unknown visitor come by the house that Sherlock Holmes and John Watson share, which is in 22(1)B Baker Street, London. But they weren't home to meet him at that time. So, an unknown visitor, he visited their office at home, and at that time both Sherlock Holmes and John Watson, who is a companion of Sherlock Holmes, was not present. Watson inspects a walking stick that the visitor mistakenly left behind. Watson notices that it is made of nice wood and it had a band of silver under the handle, which is dedicated to James Mortimer, MRCS, from his friend of the CCH, dated 1884. Watson guesses that the stick belongs to an older country doctor and that it was a present from the local hunting organization. Because Watson is talking about fox hunting, the classic British sport of the upper class that involved hunting down foxes on horseback with a bunch of dogs. Holmes breaks the news to Watson that he is almost wrong, but his dumb ideas have helped Sherlock Holmes to get the right idea. James Mortimer is a doctor, that is right. MRCS is member of the Royal College of Surgeons, and he lives in the countryside. But the H in CCH is not hunt, it is hospital. Holmes concludes that Mortimer must be a young man who did his medical residency at the Charing Cross Hospital before moving to the countryside to start his own practice. Also, Sherlock Holmes guessed from tooth marks on the stick that Dr. Mortimer owns a small dog, and it can be a spaniel. According to Holmes' record, there is a Dr. James Mortimer living in Dartmoor in a town called Grimpen. Just then, when they were talking about Dr. James Mortimer and his whereabouts, just then Dr. Mortimer appears at their door, and it's all that Holmes had said to Watson. Dr. Mortimer was young. He has a small dog like a spaniel. He left Charing Cross Hospital some time ago to set up his practice in the countryside because he got married and he settled down. Next, Dr. Mortimer is here because he has a most extraordinary problem. And after the introduction being made, Dr. Mortimer asks if he can touch the skull of the famous detective to examine the shape of a brilliant man's head. And then our very own Sherlock Holmes, he asks Dr. Mortimer that maybe it's a very crucial problem because of which he visited twice their office. And that's why Sherlock Holmes wants him to come to the point and tell him what is his problem that is worrying him so much. So student, this is what the first chapter of this case is all about. If you want to know more about this story, you can buy it later on. You can will get it a very thin book of Hound of Baskerville of Sherlock Holmes adventure, and you will love that because detective stories are always loved by everybody. So thank you, and please go through the word meanings and